Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how do we make ginger garlic paste at home. So this is very fresh ginger garlic paste without any preservatives added to it. Just with a simple 4 ingredients we can make it. Peeled garlic. I got this packet from Costco. I think you can get a dry garlic also and just peel them and use them. I'm just using this. So this is around 3 lb, around 1.36 kg. So we need to take equivalent amount of ginger. How much amount you are taking garlic, you can take the same amount of ginger. So this is ginger, right? So I took same amount, around 3 lb, 1.36 kg of ginger, and I peeled the skin neatly and I cut into these pieces. So one time this is a little tedious process, but once you make this and keep it in the jars and freeze them, whenever you need, you can use them. I would recommend highly to make it at home. The taste differs a lot and also fresh, and we made it with fresh ingredients, and right, so you can make the difference between the ready-made ginger garlic paste versus homemade garlic paste. Grinding in the food processor, it will be easy process when we grind in the food processor than the grinder or blender jar. We are not adding any water to the ginger garlic paste, right? So it will really help us when we grind it in the food processor. You can also grind it in the blender jar or grinder, but make sure you don't add water. Make sure the container is dry, no water in it. My food processor is yellow because I grind ginger garlic paste in this and I add turmeric, that's why it's yellow. The jar and this one. Let's add ginger garlic to it. We need to add equal parts. Suppose you are taking 1 cup of ginger, make sure to add 1 cup of garlic. So now let's add little bit salt to it. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and close it and mix it once. So it is done. Now we can take this and take to the jar. Glass jar is recommended. If you have plastic, that's okay, but always good to have put this in the glass jar. And it's perfectly grinded, ready to take to the jar. And we have not added any water to it. We just added 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I took the dry glass jar like this one and I just put it there. We can freeze this glass jar also, right? So no issues with that. I have been using this for years, so I can say confidently. But make sure you only fill until this. Just leave some space in the glass jar if you are freezing this. So yeah, make sure to fill 3/4 and close it with the lid and put it in the fridge. So this is our homemade ginger garlic paste. I took into the jar and we can put it in the fridge and we can use it in the daily curries. Put this jar in the freezer and when you are done with one, just take it and use it the next one.
And 3 lb of garlic and 3 lb of ginger. I got 4 jars worth of ginger garlic paste. So for me this will come minimum 6 to 7 months or 8 months, depends on the usage, how much you add into the curries. So I just freeze it and I use it whenever I need it.
Hope you like this video. Thank you all for watching. Please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you all. Bye.